What is difference between column-wise projection and row-wise projection? Projection deal with element or selection of column or row from the table. So projection is divided into column-wise projection and row-wise projection. I am giving this example. This is my employee table, and in this table I have ID, name, and address, phone number, department ID, and salary of the employee. So you can see I have 6 columns on this employee table, and it has 1000 rows of records. When I am using the select query, this is my query select star from employee. So that time it will fetch all these 6 columns as well as these 1000 rows record. That means all these records will fetch from our employee table. But if you are telling about the projection, we will element the row or column on our result set. So that time we will not use the select star. Star will fetch all these columns, but here we will use some ID or name from employee table. So it will fetch only ID and name, and it will pick only 2 columns records. So that time we will tell column wise projection. Suppose if I use where condition on our select statement, so that time it will not pick all the 1000 records. If I say salary is greater than 50k, so that means those employees are getting more than 50,000 salary. So those many records only will pick from the table. So that time we are imposing the condition to restrict to pick all the records from employee table. It will pick only those employees are getting more than 50,000 salary. So those records will pick from the table. So that time you are telling that is row wise projection. And also we can check our chapter 1 explanation. We have discussed the same in SQL Server. So that will easy to understand. So please check out our previous chapter. And also we can find the link from I button. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and comment on this session. And most important, please click on the subscribe button so you will get more notification for our future video. Stay safe. Take care. Bye.